in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your search is not working or you're unable to type into the search menu on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Select Run New Task at the top, and then type in CMD into this open field. Check mark where it says create this task with administrative privileges and select OK. And now you want to type into the command window here, SFC /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Once you have it in, as you see it on my screen, hit enter on your keyboard. It should begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully search functionality has been restored on your Acer device. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.